Hello and welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. If you're looking for a cooling summer drink to beat the rising heat, then you need to try this refreshing Nimbu Shikanji made with homemade Shikanji powder, fresh lemon juice, natural sweetener and a hint of spice. It's the perfect balance of sweet, tangy and refreshing flavors. So skip the sugary packaged drinks and make this quick hydrating cooler at home in just minutes. So first let's make the homemade Shikanji masala. For that I'm going to dry roast 3 tablespoons of whole cumin seeds or sabut jeera and 1 tablespoon of kali mirch or black peppercorn. Now on medium flame we need to dry roast them until the cumin seeds starts to crackle and they become slightly aromatic. So these are done now. I will turn off the flame and allow them to cool down slightly. Next, in a grinder jar, we will add the roasted cumin seeds and black peppercorns. Then goes 1/4 cup of Misri or rock sugar or palm sugar. Along with that goes a teaspoon of dry ginger powder or salt, a teaspoon of common salt, and a tablespoon of rock salt. Also, I'm adding here half teaspoon of chaat masala, which will give a very nice flavor to our Shikanji masala. And now we shall grind this into a very fine powder. Let's check this now. And our homemade Shikanji masala is ready. You can store this in an airtight container and preserve it for a month easily. And now let's start making our Nimbu Shikanji. For that we'll cut a fresh lime into half. Then you'll also need some fresh mint leaves or pudina. And I'm going to lightly crush them so that its fresh mint flavor is well incorporated in our Nimbu Shikanji drink. That's it. And now comes the final step, that is serving our Nimbu Shikanji. For that we'll add lots of ice cubes in a glass, some crushed mint leaves. Then goes the juice of half a lime which has been freshly squeezed. Here goes a teaspoon of our homemade Shikanji powder. I'll be also adding a teaspoon of soaked Gond Katira, which will further give a cooling and hydrating effect to our body. And now to give that fizz, I am pouring some soda water. We'll give this a good stir. And our glass of refreshing, healthy, homemade Nimbu Shikanji is ready. It's quick, easy and so much better than store-bought drinks. No preservatives, just pure goodness. And friends, if you like this recipe, then don't forget to follow my channel for more interesting and healthy recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.